In this video, I am going to show how to install PyCharm Unified Edition on Windows operating system. So let's get started. At first, open your favorite web browser and browse this URL jetbrains.com/pycharm. Then click on this download button. Now select the operating system for which you want to download PyCharm. Select Windows. Now select .exe for Windows operating system, then click on this download button. It may take a while for downloading. After a successful download, go into the downloads folder and open the PyCharm executable file. If you asked a question from user account control, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Select yes. The setup will guide you through the installation of PyCharm. Click on next, then select the installation location where you want to install the PyCharm. This is the default installation location. You can change this location by browsing the folder where you want to install PyCharm. I am going to install it on the default destination folder, so click on next. Now check this box to create desktop shortcut icon, and also you can add the path environment variable. Add win folder to the path, then check this box to create associations, then click on next. Now click on install button to begin installation. It may take a while for installing PyCharm Unified Edition on your operating system. Your computer must be restarted in order to complete the installation of PyCharm. So check this box to reboot the system, then click on finish. After restarting the computer, open PyCharm IDE. Okay, now I am going to customize the theme and also the IDE font size. Okay, now I am going to increase the font size of the editor. Okay, now I am going to create a new project. Select the type of interpreter and then select the Python version from this drop down list. I already have installed the latest version of Python, and then select the location. This is the default location where the project will be stored. You can change the location. Click on this browse button and then select the folder where you want to store the newly created project. Okay, then click on create. It may take a while. If you asked a question from Windows security, do you want to allow public or private networks to access this application? Select allow. Now I am going to create a new file. Select Python file. I am going to name it main. Hit enter. Okay, now I am going to write a simple script here that will print a message, hello world. Now I am going to run this Python script. Select the file, then select run file name. That's it. And also you can run, select the file name, or if the file opened, select the current file, then click on this run button. That's it. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.